My name is Eiro Shirin Jizingapan from 12 ABMA. Nature and Scope of Economics. Introduction. Economics seeks to understand how people interact within the social structure to solve questions concerning production and exchange of goods and services. Production is the conversion of scarce resources into desired goods and services. Land, labor, and capital. Land refers to the raw materials. Labor refers to the professional, semi-skilled, and unskilled. Capital refers to the factories, machines, transportation equipment, and infrastructure. Entrepreneurship refers to the factors of production and risk-taking. These resources are intended to provide the complete production process needed to satisfy the needs of individuals in the society. What is scarcity? Scarcity refers to the condition where the quantity desired of a particular resource exceeds the quantity available in the absence of a rationing system. Goods and services. Final goods and services. Individuals satisfying their needs and wants directly to the consumed these products. Intermediate or capital goods. These are goods used to produce other goods. Rationing system, tradition and culture. This pertains to the problem of allocation concerning social norms, customs, and history. Rationing system, planning and central government command. This refers to the use of complex mathematical tables to determine output goals and input requirements. Markets. This refers to using a system of prices to act as a means of communication about the availability of resources and the desire for those resources. Voting and political procedures. This is the communication resource allocation among individuals through the development of a consensus and majority rule. The scope of economics. The study of economics is always expanding. It and political economy were distinguished by Alfred Marshall. The concept of economics, whether or not economics is a social science and whether or not economics is an art, are all included in the field scope. Economics applied in science. Applied economics acts as a mechanism to determine what steps can reasonably be taken to improve the current economic situation. Example: purchase of goods and services, usage of raw materials, and division of labor. Economics is also a science because the laws possess universal validity, used as the law of supply and demand, law of diminishing marginal utility. Economics as social science. Economics is the scientific study of ownership, use, and exchange of scarce resources, often shortened, and the science of scarcity. Economics attempts to explain economics behavior, which arises when scarce resources are exchanged. Economics is the art because different theories and laws are explained with the help and graphs, figures, tables, and equations. What are the two branches of economics? It's macroeconomics and microeconomics. Microeconomics, a branch of economics that studies the behavior of individual units such as household, individuals, and enterprises within the economics. Macroeconomics focuses on the performance of the economies, changes in the economic output, inflation, interest, and foreign exchange rates, the balance of payment.